This is how to remove an anchor point from an object without removing the path. So here I have an object with 6 anchor points, 1 in each corner. And let's say I want to delete this top one right here. What beginners often will do is by picking the direct selection tool right here, selecting the anchor point they want to delete, and simply click the delete button. And as you can tell, it did delete the anchor point, but if we select the shape and give it a stroke and make the stroke wider, we can tell that there's missing some of the stroke, and that's because we also deleted the path. And the path is this blue line right here, which doesn't go right here. So let's go back and I will show you the right way to do this. So instead of just picking the direct selection tool, the way we want to do it is by selecting the pen tool instead. And with the pen tool we can click on the anchor point that we want to delete, and you can tell there's a minus sign next to the cursor. And if we click just one time, now we deleted only the anchor point and not the path itself. And we can tell right here that there's still a path right here. And if we give the stroke a color and make it wider, we can tell that the path is still intact, and we can have our stroke all the way around our object. I hope this helped. Now you can watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.